All right, you're welcome back to Heroic Universal Concept International. This is Heroic Academy, where we teach ICT courses. Today is quite special. We are introducing online shop. Okay, so if you want to learn how to design online shop, how to develop online shop website, this is a very fantastic opportunity for you to learn it. Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to take our time to um, develop a detailed, fantastic online shop. Okay, before we commence, let me quickly explain briefly what online shop is. Um, Online shop is a website where people come to buy item. Okay, people comes to the website, see the items they want, order for the item online, pay online, and the item will be delivered to them to their doorstep. Just like the way you shop in a physical environment, you just visit a shop in a physical environment. You select the item you want, pay for it. That's the same thing you do here. So the online shop has, to a very good extent, simplified shopping. Okay, that you don't have to go to visit any shop to buy this time around. You can simply buy by going through the website, order for the item you want, and it will be delivered to your doorstep. Now, we have single product and a multiple product online shop. Okay, if you look at this, you are seeing on screen, you see it's a multi shop. Now, when we talk about single product online shop, it means the kind of online shop that can only host one category of product in it. Okay, if you click here now, you're going to see categories, right? That means this is an online shop where you can host so many categories of product. But imagine if you are dealing on a particular category of product and you want to create online shop specifically for that, there won't be need for this category here. Okay, so that is what distinguish single product online shop from multi product online shop. This is a multi product online shop. Okay, so the difference between single product online shop and multi product online shop is the presence of categories. Okay, in multi product online shop or in multi shop, items that we are selling or products that we are selling are organized by categories. Okay, so if you are selling, for example, this sample of online shop selling dresses, shirts, jeans, swimwear, whatever, shoes, these are related anyway, but you see how it was categorized, you understand, in different categories. Okay, because so when you click on shirts, you see all shirts. Okay, very good. So that said, now advantage of online shop. One good advantage of online shop is that you have the opportunity to get any kind of product you want without stepping out of your house. You can be in the comfort of your home to order for any kind of product you want. If you go to, let's say you want to buy a particular product and you go to a shop, no, number one, sometimes if you are not familiar with the environment you are, you might find it difficult to locate where you are going to buy that product. That is one. Then two, you might not get exactly the product you want. You only get the one that is available in that shop. But if you are dealing with online shop, you can create. I mean, most online shop has unlimited number of products. Okay. For example, if you're in Nigeria and you're buying from Jumia, this is Jumia platform here. You can order a product that is not in Nigeria. Okay, and Jumia will import it for you. Okay, so you see, you have that opportunity to get any kind of product you want right in the comfort of your home. Okay, so that said, um now how can you develop online shop? How can you develop online shop? um to start the development of online shop, first thing first, you have to draw inspiration from already made online shop. This is very, very important. Inspiration. Okay, as a web developer, you should be drawing inspiration as much as you can whenever you want to develop new things. Okay, you look for what is already existing, then draw inspiration from it. Then you can now create your own and make it unique. For example, I'm about to start development of online shop. What did I do? I have to get some online shops that are already existing. What I did was that I have to go to a web template website. That is what I advise you to do as well. Go to a website template website like htmlcodex.com. Let me show you that, because that is where we got this. htmlcodex.com. This is a template website where you get free and paid web templates. All these are templates. Okay, so if you watch, see that we're going to see lots of templates here. Lots of template, company website, news website template, cake zone, whatever. So you just type whatever you need. Let's see, if you need online shop, you type in online shop, or you type in e-commerce website, because online shop can also be referred to as e-commerce website. Okay, e-commerce website. So you can type in online shop, or you type in e-commerce website, you still get same thing. So when you click here now, you see you're going to see this particular one I opened. This is it here. Okay, if you want to open it, so you see this one is e-commerce, this one restaurant and food, okay, education and all whatnot. So you open the one you want, then you scroll down here, you preview it, click on live preview. So you get the point. So you see it opens for you. Okay, you can now go through to see the content and everything. While you are going through, you are drawing inspiration. You can open many online shop to shake the one that you are interested in, or rather to compare all. For example, I have two templates from the same HTML codex open. I'm going to draw inspiration from this and from this. Okay, there are a few things I'm going to pick from here. Let me give you an example. For example, I'm going to pick the way this one was arranged. In fact, starting from above here, I'm going to everything here, I like it, and that is how I want my online shop to be. From here, I'm not going to include this one above, but from here down, I will take it. Then this, I will take it. This, I'll take it. You know why? This is going to serve both. It will serve two purposes for me. You can comfortably use it as a single product online shop and a multi-product online shop. Okay, in a single product, I will code it in such a way that in a single product online shop, I can hide this category menu. Okay, when you have categories in your back end, this will show. You understand? So I will use this the way this makes sense for me. Okay, then all these categories, I will also include it. Okay, all right, that is if there is category at the back end, which I'm going to add categories at the back end. All right, very good. So now coming down here, I'm also going to use this the way it is. I'm going to create something like this. Okay, but the at the bottom here there should be something like this. Let's go here and check it. If you come down here, you see here view details, add to cart. So we're going to take this button, okay, and add it here, add it down here. You get that? So you see how I'm trying to draw inspiration from all these shops. Okay, So you can also do same. Take your time. Whichever kind of website you want to create, make research, draw inspiration from already made professional website before you start developing your own. Not necessarily that your own must be exactly like the one you are drawing inspiration from, but you get some information from that, something that will be helpful to you. Okay, so that said, you can also, I just drew inspiration from templates. You can also draw inspiration from a professional website that I already use. For example, Jumia. You have seen Jumia, or Gigi. This one is Gigi. Gigi is also an online shop. You see how it is. Okay, so just get a lot of sites that looks like the one you want to create. Take your time, study them, get information from them, and use it to design yours. Okay, and while you're getting inspiration from them, try to see if you can make a sketch of how your own will look, and that brings us to a short sketch that I made. So I made a sketch like this, how our own will look. So this is the home page of our, this will be the home page of our online shop. Here will be logo, at the center here will be search, then at the end will be phone number. Then down here you have categories. Okay, here this one is favorite. Add to favorite. This one is cat. Okay, I just added this color just to use it as a theme, as our color theme. Okay, otherwise it will be like sketch for others, but I just want to add a color to show the kind of color we are going to use, the dominant color we're going to use for this particular website. Okay, all right, so come down here, you see this is where we are going to have product slider. That's the product will be sliding. Okay, now here we're going to have advertisement just like the site I showed you. So when you come down here, you see this is where we're going to have just a kind of talking about what we can deliver. Okay, a quality product. Maybe this one will be pay on delivery or whatever. It depends on what we're offering. For example, if you check it here, you see what we have here. Okay, see it's free shipping, 14-day return, 247 support, something like this. That is what will be there. Okay, then down here you now have categories. This is where you put categories. Okay, all the categories you have, you're going to have. If I'm going to code it in such a way that if there is no category, if category is empty, so that means you have not added any category at all, this particular page will not exist. Okay, and also like I told you, the one above, this one will not also show. Okay, but the moment you add the category, it will show. Okay, that is the moment you have more than one category, then it will, now you begin to see all these. All right, then coming down here, this is where the product is going to be, and you see the product boxes, and you see here it's going to, you will see how I demarcated it. So here we are going to have view, preview, and this one will be add to cart, something like that. I'm also thinking of making it in such a way that maybe this one will be add to cart, here will be buy now, then at the extreme here we'll now have preview. So I'm thinking of putting it that way. While you are forming while you are working on getting inspiration, more inspiration will be coming. Okay, then you know how to put it together to create something unique for yourself. Okay, so here you are going to have advert. It's wise that you advertise some product. Maybe if you have special products you want to advertise, then you have to put them here. Or you might even have other platforms that are not related to the online shop, and you want to advertise it here to the people that are coming to buy for you. So you add any advertisements here, even Google AdSense. You can even integrate Google AdSense here if your online shop is generating traffic, good traffic. Okay, and this is where you have the recent product. Like when you upload product, the newest product will appear here. Okay, you can keep adding and adding, depends. You can keep adding sections upon sections. For example, you can also add section like this, call it popular product. A popular product might be product people buys often. Okay, but you add something like that when you add something like that when your maybe your online shop has been in existence for some time, then many people are buying, then you already know. But it's always wise when you are coding, if you want something to be, if you want something like that to be added to your online shop, you add it initially so that it will begin on time to record people that are buying most. Okay, people that, I mean, a product that many people are ordering. Okay, you can still add it if you want to. So there are unlimited stuff you can do to your online shop. It depends on how you want it to be. For example, if we should go to Jumia again, we're going to see how they organize theirs. Let's look at it. Okay, see, these ones are actually advertisements. They're advertising the product. Okay, say time left, so they added timer here. Okay, don't miss out on this. This one is also advertisement, advertising, just like the advertisement section I added in our hours also. Okay, now this one is top deals, free delivery. Okay, so you see this one. So you see what we added. They are also adding theirs. Okay, it's chopped from our collections. See this. So it depends on how you want it to be, how you want your own to be. Jumia has been in existence for long, so they are updating their website all the time and adding new stuff that will make their shop worthwhile. Okay, so let's look at Konga. The way Konga is, um, Konga don't seem to be updating theirs all the time, but you see the advertisement here. Okay, um, these are cars for sale. Okay, and these are categories. You see lots of categories. Okay, so that's by the way. So I believe so far you've been able to draw inspiration to some of this stuff. Okay, all these things that you've seen, and even the sketch that I did, and you've drawn inspiration to this. Now you might be asking me, how did I sketch this? Um, Actually, this is for graphic. If you can sketch, you mustn't make it to look as neat as my own. You can just use your pen and paper. Get I mean your pencil and paper. Okay, or even pen and paper. Okay, you draw it the much you can. It mustn't look as attractive as this. But if you're a graphic designer, you can take your time. Use any graphic designer platform to draw this. It's easy for a graphic designer to do like this, but you must not do it like this. What's important is that you have a sketch that will show you this is where this one will be. For example, this is where logo will be. This is where search will be. This, you understand? It mustn't look as perfect as this one. Okay. So that said, I think we are getting there. So that is what we are going to create in this tutorial. And actually we'll have a whole lot to talk about as we move on. So fasten your seatbelt, get ready. We got a whole lot to learn. Okay, and if you succeed in learning this, we are going to make a lot of money, because lots of businesses are going online, and a lot of them, they will want online shop for their business. They will want a situation whereby people can order online at will, pay online, and the product will be delivered to them. Okay, and that is what I'm about to teach you now how to create. Let's go there. By the way, if you are following me for the first time, I'm Uche Joe. I'm the founder Heroic Universal Concept International. Okay, you're welcome. So let's get started. Thank you so much.